Hello everyone, Lakesia McKinnon here, and I'm just making some makeup and skincare videos for beginners. I am a beauty influencer with Pharmacy, and I noticed that Pharmacy had a pearl powdered soap. I've never heard of that before, so I wanted to look up the benefits of pearl powder. Since we have it as a soap, I wanted to see why. But now, pearl powder is milled from natural pearls. Freshwater pearls that you wear around your neck might be good for you. The milling process results in a fine dry powder. As a result, the benefits and the ease to which the pearls may be added is added to cosmetics or natural soaps. Pearls are made up of calcium carbonate proteins, 20 different amino acids, and conchyolin protein. Pearl is currently and has been used since ancient times as a natural remedy. Didn't know that. In Chinese medicine, there are many claims about the benefits. This substance is so powerful it could stabilize the emotions, ease frustration and anger, brighten the eyes, and help regenerate tissue. High quality pearl powder can help prevent the development of melanin. Melanin is the part of your skin which causes freckles and dark patches, which I definitely have. When you hear aging spots, that's the melanin in action. Consequently, this powder can help prevent the skin from becoming old looking, wrinkled, and sagging. There's a strong belief that the constant use can eliminate spots and even pimples and boils. In addition, in Chinese medicine, the proposal is that constant use will also slow down the aging of skin. Pearl as a skin lightener. The research supports the proposition that pearl inhibits the formation of melanin. So why is this a good thing? Because melanin production is increased in areas of skin damage. Therefore, the reduction in melanin makes it a skin lightener. Okay. The skin lightening products seem to be increasingly popular. The original skin whitening agents did the job. However, concerns about whether or not these agents are safe led many of these products being banned or restricted from use. Cosmetic companies have been forced to think about new ways to get similar results. Pearl powder has emerged as a natural alternative to dangerous skin lighteners. Some people are interested in skin whitening properties to make themselves look lighter. Others are interested in lightening the freckles and blemishes associated with aging. Well, I didn't know that freckles were a result of aging. I'm getting a few freckles, but that's fine. I always had a few, but I'm getting a few more. But hey, you learn something every day. Anti-aging properties. Almost everyone over the age of 30 is concerned with aging. Okay? However, there are things we can do to slow down the aging process. One of the discoveries has been that the application of pearl powder to the skin increases the regeneration of skin cells. Interesting. Some studies have demonstrated that the antioxidant enzyme in pearl reduces free radicals. These antioxidants also slow aging when put on the skin. Okay, now silicone is a part of our connective tissue, not sure if I said that right, that helps maintain skin's firmness and elasticity. It is especially relevant that it also helps protect collagen from glycation. Alright, these words are something else. Simply put, glycation is a process that involves sugars reacting with proteins. This reaction is linked with inflammation and premature aging. Furthermore, since the pearl is also a rich source of calcium, it enhances skin firmness. Okay? Consequently, they are important to improve the skin metabolism and strengthen the muscles under the facial skin. And this is polysaccharides. Pearl has polysaccharides. I'm not sure if I said that right. As a result of all these properties, pearl powder is considered to be a strong anti-aging agent. Finally, believe it or not, it's a great moisturizer. This is because moisturized skin reduces the aging process. Okay, so if you use moisturizer as part of your daily skin routine that you should be doing twice a day, you should be moisturizing your face twice daily. So let's find out the benefits of pearl powder. Here is a long list of pearl powder benefits. Healing, skin brightening. These are claims. So let's just make sure that we get that out there. I'm not making any medical claims. This is just information here. Anti-wrinkle, sun protectant, promoting cell renewal, enhancing elasticity, circulation, improvement, calming, detoxification, protection from environmental radicals, regulation of skin discolorations, smoothing of skin texture. So basically, think of pearl as more than jewelry. Think of it as a beauty enhancer. I will from now on. We use jewelry to enhance our appearance, but pearl can do the same for your natural appearance. It can tone your skin, eradicate wrinkles, and as a result, make you look and feel younger. You don't need the long list of chemicals to keep your skin young and healthy. Simply wash with pearl soap. I plan on it. I will order some with my next order. You can also apply it with cream on a daily basis. You will feel the results and see them in the mirror. Just use it with consistency. So in conclusion, consider using soaps or creams that contain pearl as a natural anti-aging agent. It is especially relevant that it is a natural alternative that has resisted the test of time. So where did I find that soap again? So I just did an order the other day, but I'm definitely gonna order that, and it's right there. Now I want to read what pharmacy has to say about the benefits, because that was very informative. So if you have any questions about that or comments, my information is in the comment section, but please, no more comments about girls or live news. I've had enough of those on my page. Thank you. Have a great evening.